So, you messed up. You saw your friend playing with a 2x2, and then you asked them, "Hey, can I see that? That looks pretty easy." But then you realized, dang it, this thing has more than 4 sides? That's so unexpected. Well, I am here to show you the method to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube and solve all of your problems. That way, that will never happen to you ever again. The first thing you need to do is just find a white corner piece. So that's basically just a white piece on the 2x2. And then look at both of the side colors. So this is red and green. Now, just pick one of them and then find another piece that also has one of the side colors and is also a white piece. So if I choose red, then this corner right here also has red and it also has white. So you're basically just going to try and put these together on, so you want to match up the white pieces. So it doesn't really matter how you do this, but the way that I would do this is just to move it in like this. And then that will put these two next to each other, and it'll look like you've actually solved some pieces. Then, with the 2x2 piece that you just found, pick the other side color. This is blue, and then find the other corner that also has blue and it also has white. So in this case, it's this one. And then you're gonna move it next to this piece. Doesn't matter how you do this as well. It should be pretty self-explanatory. You can probably figure it out. And then just move it in. And that's how I would do it for this. Okay, you can probably see where I'm going with this. Just find the last piece and then move it in to the empty spot. Doing this should be pretty easy if you've already figured out the last 3. Alrighty, you did something. You don't feel like an idiot anymore. Gold star. So now we're going to do the last layer, and this is only in 2 steps. It's pretty easy. So you just need to learn this one algorithm, and you also need to use your brain. So what you want to do is just turn the top layer until you match up a corner piece to the side color. So you just want to look for the right spot. So this has orange and green on it, and this spot also has orange and green on it. So this is technically in the right spot. It's just not oriented right. You need to look around and see if any of the other pieces are in the right spot. So I saw that this one is in the right spot, also this one, and this one. They're all solved. This is a pretty lucky case, but I'll show you what would happen if it wasn't like this. So if you didn't get that case, and you probably won't because that's a very lucky case, and that's basically skipping the step. But what you want to see for is you need to look for just one corner that matches up. So you don't want 2 to match up. So for example, if both of these are matched up, this is not in the right turn. So you want to turn it until you only have 1 matched up, and then just do this algorithm and keep it on the left. So now you just want to look around and see if everything is in the right spot. So I'm looking around and it's not all in the right spot. So what I want to do is just do it again. And it's still not all right. So then you just want to pick a different orientation. So you only need to do this 3 times. If it doesn't work on the 3rd time, then it's not right. Well, technically you only have to do it 2 times, because if you do it 3 times, it'll just bring it back to what it was originally. So just turn it a bit until you find that yeah, 1 is solved, and then just do it again. And we got everything to match up. So then the last step is basically just to finish everything. So you want to rotate to these unsolved pieces to be on the bottom, and then you're going to just repeat this one algorithm on one of the unsolved corners. So and once you see that the yellow touches the bottom, so yellow's on bottom, Then you want to move the bottom layer, and then just do this to the next unsolved corner. Make sure you finish the algorithm, and then just turn it one more time. This is the last one. And then you'll notice this is the hardest step. So you just want to figure out, how to turn the top face. And then once you figure that out, then the cube is solved. Some people just can't solve it. That's like the hardest part, man. Very difficult. So once you're done, it should look a little something like that. Dang it, I forgot this step. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment what you want to see next, and I'll see you next time.